What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. So in today's video I have great news for those of you who want Cydia to run on the Chimera jailbreak or the Electra jailbreak. It has finally been released, a new version of Cydia for the Chimera jailbreak by Diatrus. So this has been released on Reddit just a few hours ago and it's available on this repo in here. The repo will be in the description down below. And what this does is to basically add Cydia to the Chimera jailbreak, because as you probably know, the Chimera jailbreak is actually quite good. It works quite fine, but it doesn't have Cydia. It comes with Sileo, which is this one in here, and it's basically better. Sileo is indeed newer, it has a new design, it has a better compatibility, it works fast, and it's actually quite fast in downloading and handling packages. It actually looks like it's made for iOS 12 and iOS 11 and so on. It actually is modern, and I made a review of it if you want to check it out in the description down below. But sometimes there are moments when you need Cydia, and one of those moments is, for example, if you have packages that you bought back in the days from Cydia and you cannot get them in Sileo because they require Cydia in order to acquire them again or in order to see your purchases and so on. And actually there are people who do believe that Cydia is better than Sileo, or they just prefer Cydia over Sileo for personal reasons. And yeah, there is also that nostalgia over the Cydia being, the very first that they had and being with the jailbreak community for quite a long time. So there are many people who want Cydia, but the Chimera jailbreak is a little bit restrictive, as in you do not have Cydia, and of course you cannot really install Cydia as easily as you would believe. Yes, it's just an application, it shouldn't be that hard. You should be able to just copy the bundle and the supporting files, and that should be it. But Cydia is actually a tad bit complicated, and the files that it requires have to be in specific folders, there have to be specific permissions, and most of the times those files that are required for Cydia to work come in a tar file that you have to extract properly, and you run the risk of replacing some folders in the system, and you can even destroy your jailbreak. So yeah, installing Cydia over a jailbreak that doesn't have it is not exactly that easy if you do it manually, but with this repo in here you should be able to add Cydia safely to your Chimera jailbreak. The repo is actually called Cydia, basically Chimera and Cydia, and you just have to press add to Sileo in here, and it's going to add the repo automatically. So in order to do this, you just have to go in here to this link that I'm going to put in the description down below in your Safari on your phone while being jailbroken, and if you press the add to Sileo button in here, it should start Sileo automatically and it should add the repo automatically, and you will be able to install the Cydia. And it says in here, quote, release Cydia for Chimera by Diatrus is back. You heard that right, folks. Since Coolstar wouldn't fix what he broke, I, as usual, did it. Cydia for Chimera is back with version 5. Installing it is as simple as it was before. Add the repo to Sileo, install Cydia for Chimera or Electra, and reboot. You can install the remove Sileo package as well if you dislike Sileo. Simple. Remember to report any bugs to me, I'll be happy to look into them. So basically, if you want Cydia on your Chimera jailbreak, that's all you have to do. Go to this repo in here, add it to Sileo, and you will be able to install Cydia. Now, I will of course get the obvious question, is Cydia better than Sileo, or is Sileo better than Cydia? Well, I do believe that they're basically the same thing. They install packages. Now, yes, Sileo looks better, it's newer, it's made with iOS 12 in mind, it may be a tad bit faster and so on, but it still installs packages. That's what they do. It doesn't really get better in here. It's either installing the package or it's not. Yes, it may have a better handling mechanism, it may be a little bit faster, but it's as fast as your internet connection can be. So yeah, if a package is actually huge, it will take longer even with Sileo, because that's basically your internet connection that is bottlenecking the Sileo or the Cydia application. But yeah, usually Cydia is a little bit slower when downloading something, but not that slow that I would stop using it. So yeah, some people believe that Sileo is better, some people like the way it looks, some people believe that just because it looks better is actually working better, but we do not know how it works, since unfortunately, compared to Cydia, Sileo is not open source. We do not know how it works, we do have an idea from reverse engineering the application, but it's not open source, we cannot contribute, and we cannot exactly know what's going on in there. So yeah, if you want Cydia with Chimera jailbreak and the Electra jailbreak, which no longer have Cydia for quite a while, you can get it and it works fine, and the repo will be in the description down below. Thank you for watching, I'm Geosnow, till the next time, peace out.